Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. I'm here in Alexandria, Virginia, and we're gonna take care of these carpets here. It is riddled with pet stains. I repeat, it is riddled with pet stains. I also repeat, I don't know why I'm doing this. This carpet needs to be replaced. But we never back down for any challenge. We're gonna be using probiotics. Carpets have been thoroughly pre-vacuumed. And now we're about to start the preconditioning. Look at that right there. That is just May the carpet cleaning gods be with us. This one is wow, amazing. Master bedroom. And then coming back out to the hallway. This room is not as bad. You have some spots here. You have a couple of urine spots there, which the camera can't really pick up. But yeah, this carpet is in really, really bad shape. All right, guys, stand by. All right, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We are all done here. As you can see, night and day difference. What do you guys think? Pet stains gone, odor gone, smells remarkable. Clients are happy, property manager are extremely happy. I mean, I just couldn't. This is amazing. This is some great work. We use probiotics, #1, and then inside the tank we use Unleash for deodorizing purposes, but probiotic really did the majority of the cleaning. As you can see, this is pretty much night and day difference. This is the master, and this is a spare. Remember that stain that was here? Completely gone. All the urine stains in there are completely gone. It smells remarkable in here, by the way. We need to open some windows here. Yeah, just so you can see where we're at. We're on the 4th floor. Don't know if the air is on or not, so. Good thing about this is you have to let this dry as soon as possible. So once it dries, I'm sorry, the good thing about this is as it dries, it gets extremely better because of the properties that we're using. The probiotic, to be honest with you, in the middle over there, when I was completely done, you can still see a hint of, you know, pet stain, but now that I'm completely done, it is gone. So by tomorrow morning, carpets are going to be a lot brighter. Carpets are going to be just immaculate. So yeah, I mean, if you have extreme pet issues, don't throw away your carpet. I mean, give Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners a call. We can restore them, especially if you're moving out and you know, you're not trying to pay an arm and a leg. You're trying to get your deposit back. Give us a call. I mean, the worst thing that could happen is, hey, listen, we can't do nothing for you. But with this client, I was fully confident that we were gonna get this back to you know, original shape. So I talked to the property manager because, like I said before, I work in this building quite a bit doing their hallways, the community hallways here, and she said they're not going to charge for wear. As you can see, there's a lot of, not too much, but there's wear right there, so you can't clean that. But overall, she is extremely pleased. All right, guys.